What is up? So I found this car here at the junkyard, and I need a few parts. I got a friend who needs all the door panels, so probably gonna pull all the door panels off this one because they look really good. And I'm probably gonna grab the mirrors as well. I don't know about this one because I don't really need a driver's side, but I do need a passenger side one, so I'll grab that. But I think someone already got the whole front end. Alright, well, let's get to pulling some parts. I need this one. I got the door panels, got the center console, and got the mirror. Problem is, now it's pouring. Not ideal. Thankfully, I got this Dodge Grand Caravan to keep me dry. Well, I'm getting wet in the ass. Perfect. Not ideal to be in a junkyard during a thunderstorm, but we work with what we got, huh? There's a guy over there in that car, too. Well, I'll give y'all an update once the rain calms down, because obviously I'm not going to record in the rain, so be back in a minute. You know, a smarter man would have checked the weather before coming out here. The good news is I got everything pulled. Oh, caught that. Went from junkyard running to watching lightning. Oh man, it is coming down. Even if I wanted to make a run for it, the road is a river. It's just a river of water. So much water's coming down. Wild. Put this thing away before it gets too wet. So since I got this downtime here, waiting for the rain to slow down, I decided to turn my minivan into a little hangout spot. Let me flip this around for you. Yeah, so definitely covered in water. Flip the bench seat around, sideways. Just chilling in the minivan now with my parts. I had to open the door for some air because it is getting hot pretty fast. Looks like the sun's starting to come out, starting to die down. Be on our way out of here soon. I do want to go look at one more car before I leave. I want to see if it has the glass in the mirror, because unfortunately this Jetta didn't have the glass. And I need the glass too. For a new project that'll be on the video, or be in the channel sometime in the future. But I haven't taken delivery of the vehicle yet. So once that happens, then we'll start showing it in some videos. But I don't want to have to do a bunch of editing, so I'm going to end the video here. I'll update once we're out of here, if I find that other mirror. Man, it's always kind of sad when you see a nice car at the junkyard. This is a 2008 GLI. Got the nice plaid seats. GLI steering wheel, which I should take, but I don't really care for it. Unfortunately, somebody busted the headlights, and it is a TSI motor, so timing chains. So big power motor, CCTA probably. See, oh no, it's a CDFA. Oh, garbage. That means this one had the big cats on it, the money cats. Someone broke the bumper, of course. Kind of sad. Well, it's not fully broken, just the one piece is broken right here. And the rest of it's probably good. So if anybody needs a GLI bumper, LKQ's got one. Someone was nice enough to set the grill on the windshield. Doesn't look like they broke it. But I did notice LKQ started putting these barcodes on things. I guess they're trying to make it easier on the idiots in the windows, huh? That sell these. No offense. But alright, the rain has stopped. I'm gonna go home now. Our little score. We got 3 door panels. I only needed 3. I already had the 4th one. An armrest, a mirror, or the whole mirror assembly. Unfortunately no glass though, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. Ooh, I might go check that wagon right there though. I think those are the same shape. I'm gonna go try that, see.